Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can manage sound recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-ups. And then to start your recording, click on this middle button with a microphone. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you want to discard it right away, click on this pin on the left. And as you can see, it's deleted. You can also, before recording, click on this gear on the left as well. Tap on Voice Quality and select the best option for you. I will stick with high though. If you want to end your recording and save it, click on this check mark on the right. Then to access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines on the right as well. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. You can also hold it and delete it by choosing Delete at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!